everybody, my name is Artit. Today I'm gonna share you the technique for neck and shoulder massage. The technique and the pattern is very simple. You just learn for the right area and the right point to press. That's gonna help you to make relax after you tired from the working at the laptop. Okay, let's start together. Okay, before you start to massage, you have to learn where the base point to press and avoid. I show you in the picture. You will see the red line. The red line is spine and the scapula. That's place we no need to massage. Please focus on the green point. That's the area you're gonna be pressed. The technique is use the thumbs press down to the green point. Start from lower to the shoulder. Gentle pressure in beginning to check the muscle tone. Then increase the pressure depend on the muscle tone to release and relax. Neck massage. Please look at the picture. Have two lines on the neck. We have to make a stability pressure on neck. Use the other hand to cover client forehead. Thumbs press the line one by one, up and down. Do it both sides of the neck. Time to practice. Let me show you how to massage. I massage from the lower and try to walking to the upper. And then I walking back by my thumb. How long to massage? Actually, we do the massage until the muscle tone is dropped down, or depend on your time. On the inside line of the neck. Please ensure you no press on the spine. We work on the muscle only. Thank you for watching. If you want to learning massage online with me, please click link under video to join my class. See you there.